Hello, Will Summit up. It's time to say the It's Will's here again from Denver Shoe Service. Hope you're all keeping well and keeping safe. I'll start the session as we do every session with a quick house rule. So we operate the session the same way we would operate any of our usual sessions, whether they be youth clubs or community-based things or things in school. It's all about respect, isn't it? It's about respecting each other, respecting the platform, respecting each other's comments. You know, no silliness, no bad language, all that kind of stuff. Guten Tag, Matthew, guten Tag. And also, I'm being safe, guys, okay? So we're online here, so it's about being safe. So please don't share too much personal information. I don't want to know things like your addresses or your second name, even. I don't want to know. So no personal information, no distinction. And if you want to mention anybody else on the session, then please have that same level of respect for them as well. So don't give too much personal information about themselves. Anything that would make them identifiable. Same with yourselves as well. So please don't tell me, oh, I live on this street in Llangollen. We don't want to know. We don't want to know. If there is something that you'd like to discuss of private nature, this is not the best platform for it really, but you can connect to the lovely Denver Youth Service team by phone, by text, by direct message, and you can find all that information. I know I say it every time, but I'm going to say it again. You can find all that information on our Facebook and Twitter pages. So there'll be pictures like this of all the staff and all their contact information underneath. So please do use that service to connect. I've just come on to say, hey, hope you all have a wonderful bank holiday weekend, says Kelly. Kelly, stick around. We've got a fantastically special session today. So stick around, let me tell you. Hello, Mikey. Hello, Morgan. Hello, Jem and Matthew with their salus and their guten tags and their olas. Right, so where was I? Oh, Cymraeg hefyd. Mae sesiwn yma I gyd yn ddwyieithog. So mae'n groeso ddech chi gyrru negeswyr yn y Gymraeg neu'n Saesneg, na I gyfieithu nhw, a gyrru'n yn dol allan, so pawb yn cymryd rhan. These sessions are bilingual. Don't forget that. Please do send us your comments in either Welsh or English. I will translate them. I haven't said that. I do say I will translate them. I've been doing a lot of translating on these sessions lately. Salut, guten tag, and all that. Hola. Multilingual platform we've got here, although I only have two myself. Right. Oh, Sarah's on as well. Hello, Sarah. Oh, Sarah, the O's are on. The O, and you know what? The O's are on in a great place today because we're having a bit of a quiz today, and we know how the O's like a quiz. We all like a quiz, don't we? That said, as I did mention to you, we have a very, very special session today. And the reason for that is I am going to be off now for a few days. So you're not going to see me again. Yeah, she loves a quiz, Sarah. You're not going to see me now on these sessions until next Thursday. So Cheryl will be filling in my absence. Of course, there won't be a session on Monday because, as it's been pointed out, it is bank holiday. But Cheryl will be on for Tea Tuesday and her Wellbeing Wednesday. And I'll be back with you on Thursday. Oh, that's something else I should point out as well. In fact, I'll leave that till the end. So I thought we needed to get a very special guest on today. Now, we've had some great people come on this session, haven't we? We've had Martin Dawes, the poet. We've had Andy, the graffiti guy. We've had Jim and Sarah, the members of the team. Amanda coming on playing the guitar. We've had the guys from Bernat. Loads of great people. But let me tell you now, for those of you watching, tonight's guest is by far the best of them all. Right? Stick around. You will appreciate it. And this guest is coming on to do a film review. So something that we missed last week. We missed doing the film review last week. I don't know what happened there. I think we were caught up in other things, but we're bringing the film review back today. So Film Quiz Friday, Film Friday. Oh, Fun Film Friday, that's what we'll call it. So our guest is going to come on this evening and give a film review of a film that you could potentially watch over this bank holiday weekend because it's blowing a gale out there. I don't know if it's the same where you are, but it is here. So if we need to stay indoors, we'll need some entertainment, won't we? Right. Okay. So let's see who our guest is. Are you keen to know who the guest is? Can anybody guess who the guest will be? That'll be good. Put in the comment section. Oh, hi, Joe. How's it going? Joe, we've got a cracking guest coming on in a minute. Can anybody have a guess? Who can we have who do we think we could have to come and do this film review? Who's the film expert here? Who's the best person you could possibly think to have on this screen now? Let me know in the comment section. Who would you like to see? Oh, while I take a sip of my drink. As I said, so we'll do the film review. And then Morgan says someone says that. I forgot her name now. Oh, who was it? Kelly? Are you thinking Kelly? Well, keep the guesses coming. Me, lol, says Mikey. No, not you. Even better than you, let me tell you. Oh, we've got a brilliant guest on today. I'm so excited. Anyway, yeah, so like I was saying, yeah, we're going to have our film review first. And then for those of you who like a quiz, I know you like a quiz on a Friday night, stick around for the quiz because it's going to be a great quiz. Film-related quiz as well. Right, so without further ado, let's meet today's guest. Oh, yeah, so yeah, like I said, film review. We're having a film review. Look. And who's doing the film review? Right, let's have a look here. Who is it? Who's it going to be? Come on, guest, where are you? Oh! Who is it? Hello, Wills and Max, I'm Cysylltiedig. It's Wills here from Cwis Service. How are you all doing? Hope you're keeping well, keeping safe. Wills, how are you doing today? Oh, I'm doing really well, Wills, thanks. Oh, good to hear. Thanks ever so much for allowing me to come on to the session today to do the film review. Great job you're doing. Oh, thanks very much. Yeah. No, it's well deserved. You're doing a cracking job. Well done, you. Oh, so, I've come to do the film review. Would you like to know what the film is? Would love to know what the film is. Right, so I'll tell you. It is Jurassic World. Have you seen Jurassic World, Wills? I have. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. You're right. It is brilliant. So, before we do the film review, do you want to play the clip that I've sent to you so everybody can know what Jurassic World is? Yes. Yeah, I'll play that. I'll play that now. Right. Well, I'll wait here then. Okay. Right. Wait there. Don't move. Right. You're a great guest. Okay. So, here is the clip that Wills has sent us in. Wills has sent us in for you guys to watch, and it's Jurassic World, I think he said it was. Is that what he said?
She's a little shy, so give her a hint when she comes out.
Eyes on me. Good.
We have a new attraction. Think it'll scare the kids?
This will give the parents nightmares. You went and made a new dinosaur? Probably not a good idea. He's killing for sport. You got 20,000 people with nowhere to go. We're going after it with everything we got.
Stay here, right?
Whoa! Right, we've got to get a guest back. Where's our guest? Where is our guest? Oh, here he is. Yeah, Jurassic World. Absolutely brilliant film, isn't it, Wills? It is a brilliant film. Do you want to tell us more about it? Yeah, I will. Absolutely, I will. Yeah, so that is Jurassic World. It's part of the new franchise of the old Jurassic Parks. There's two new ones. There's that one, Jurassic World, and there's Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Oh, yeah, I've seen that. So I've chosen this one because this one's available on Netflix and it's a 12. Right. It's easily accessible. And if you have seen it before, worth revisiting again because it's a brilliant film. And if you do have Sky Cinema, so if you can watch the second installment, The Fallen Kingdom. Okay, good tip. Definitely check that out. That's my recommendation for you this week. So thanks for having me on as a guest. Oh, you're welcome. Once again, Wills, thank you very much. Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you. Thank you for having me on. Guys, and enjoy the rest of the session and enjoy the quiz, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Oh, diolch yn fawr, Wills. Thank you very much for coming on, Wills. We really appreciate that. A really good film suggestion. Oh, he forgot to give the rating out of 5. The 5. Oh, we need to get him back. Get him back. You're right. I forgot. We need to give it a rating. That's quite like you said. How many Gwydel cows? Well, for me, this is an absolute 100%. 5 Gwydel. 5 Gwydel cows there from Wales. Very good job, Wales. Very good. Thank you ever so much for coming on. So that was that was our guest for today, the very, very special guest. Let's see what you guys think of our very special guest. There's 2 of you. There is 2 of me. The guy on the TV is there for better looking. Is he? Do you think so? It's Wills when he was 20. Hey, watch yourself. Matthew thinks it's cool and worth revisiting. Yes, well, see, this is from Gemma here. She says it's worth revisiting that film because it's got Chris Pratt in it. It has got Chris Pratt in it. It's a brilliant film. As Will's just said on the review, then it is a brilliant film, and so, like really like it's proper Hollywood blockbuster film and good family entertainment film as well. So if you're all together, you're all stuck in, you've got a nice box of popcorn or whatever, a snack that you eat when you're watching films at home, Jurassic World is a cracker. And if, like Will said, like Will said earlier, if you have Sky, the second installment of that, of the new franchise, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom's out there, and that's worth a watch as well. But the first one is on Netflix, so easily accessible for those of you who have Netflix, and sure it's on other streaming sites and whatever it is you use. Don't think I've seen this one. Well, Sarah Wills has given it 5 Gwyddel cows, so it's got to be worth a watch. So get the O's together, and you can watch Jurassic Park. Oh, Jurassic World, not Jurassic Park. That was the old one from the 90s. It's just Jurassic World moving forward. Right. Kerry's on. Oh, I love Jurassic. Oh, hello, Kerry. How are you going? I love Jurassic World. And sorry for my name. My friend has just put that, and I can't change it. No problem. Don't worry about it. Good film, says Joe. It is a good film. Joe, did you see? Wills just gave it 5 Gwyddel cows. Oh. Modern technology. I tell you what. I tell you why I did that, really. Because Cheryl's upped the game in her studio. I thought I'd up the game again. Right, okay, right. Forget all that. No, we work together here. Good team spirit, and good bit of team banter. Right, the quiz. Right, let's move on to the quiz. So the quiz is, as it says on the screen here, it's a movie quiz. Nice and simple. Let me just adjust that so you can... Oh, crikey, O'Reilly. Let me just adjust that. So it's a movie quiz. So this is a little, as we like here on these sessions, we like fast as fingers, don't we? We like people to type really quickly. However, I'm going to try and divide. Oh, no, I haven't got a pen. No, I'll work it out. I'll keep a count in my head. I'm going to try and divide the scores up to young people and some of the fast-fingered youth workers that sometimes sneak in here. You know who you are. And so, yeah, basically, I'm going to be showing you film characters, and they're going to be covered by those, those clapperboard things. And I'm going to remove them one by one. So you'll have an image here and clapperboards all around, and I'm going to be removing them from certain sections, and it's first to guess the character behind those boards. Really simple. There are 10 popular film characters behind there. Oh, I should point out, it's the film character's name I want, not the actor who's played them. So, for instance, if I was to, let me think of an example quickly. Oh, here we go. If I put the Terminator up there and you typed in Arnold Schwarzenegger, well, no, that's not the answer because he was the Terminator. It's the character name. Is that crystal? Is that clear? Let's see now. I did see, who knew 2 of you? Yeah, I know. Double the trouble. Or double the fun, whichever way you look at it. Or double the youth support. Either way, whichever way you look at it. Right. I wish there was 2 of me, let me tell you. Okay, so shall we start the quiz? Everybody cool to go with the quiz? Kerry, do you go to the Flint High School? No, I don't go to the Flint High School, as it happens. No, I cover Denbighshire area. Denbighshire Youth Service. No, I don't actually go to the Flint High School. Right, okay. What do you think that you recognise me from that area? Can't imagine there'd be anybody else who looks like this out there. Oh, actually there is. There's 2 of us. It could have been that Wills. Right, okay, so let's start the quiz then. Okay, let's start the quiz. Right, here we go. Are you ready? Those of you who are engaged and watching, here we go. Here's the first one. Can you guess who's behind that? No, clearly you can't because he's covered up. Right, so I'm going to take one away. Ready? I'm going to watch the comment section to see if anybody gets it. I'm going to take another clapperboard away. No one's typed there yet. Oh, Morgan's in there with Gru. Morgan, as you quite rightly say, it was our friend Gru. So Morgan got that first. Morgan, make a note for yourself that you've got Elio's on Fry. Who's Fry? Oh, it's Fry from that cartoon. Oh my God, what's it called? Just like The Simpsons, but they're in space. Sarah comes on and says Gru. Ellie says spelling error. Oh, yeah. Nice try. Yeah, it was Gru. Morgan gets the point. Dial chdi, Morgan, flying in there. Okay, here's the second one. Can anybody guess this? Anybody guess this one? No, you can't because I haven't removed the square yet. Right, let's remove the square. Ready? Oh, this is a tricky one. Oh, I'm watching the comment section. Batsman says Morgan. No. Oh, this one's got a red cape. Batman doesn't have a red cape. Morgan's in there again with Thor. Oh, Gemma, if you're watching, you should be so disappointed with this. That is correct. It is Thor. You should be so disappointed with yourself, Gemma, because check it out. It's one of your boys there. One of your Marvel boys. Joe said Superman. Matthew said Superman. Yeah, good guesses. Red capes and all that. But Morgan stormed that one with Thor. Morgan's on 2 points out of a possible 10. So well done, Morgan. Very, very good. Right, okay, so on the line, we'll move on. Oh, okay. Who's this? Gemma. I am because she was typing it. Oh, you missed it. Thought I didn't type it. Oh, well, thought it was. It was thought. So this is the next one. Ready? Let's take away a clapper. Oh, nothing to see there. Nothing to see here. Oh, that's another clapper gone. Darth Vader, says Anonymous. No, I'm afraid not. Not Darth Vader. Oh, I'm watching. Oh, Batman, says Morgan. No, pack it in with a Batman. This guy's got a school uniform on and a wand. Anybody got it? School uniform and a wand. Harry Potter, says Morgan. Morgan gets in there again, but closely followed by Matthew and Anonymous and Ellie and Joe, who all got it right. It was that Harry Potter fella. So, Morgan, I believe you're on 3. He's good at a film quiz, isn't he? Elio, come on. Where are you? Okay. Oh, Sarah's in there with Harry Potter as well. and Joe. Oh, guys, you're flying through this quiz. I knew you'd like this one. I made this today. I actually made this quiz today. Ready for you for the film. Hey, guys, sorry for the late arrival. 18 today. Well, we hadn't forgotten, Emily. I was looking for you. We will pause ever so briefly to wish Emily a happy birthday. She's 18 today. Emily's one of our amazing young volunteers who works with us in Denbighshire Youth Service, and she is phenomenal. One of our young leaders, should I say. So Pembrey Happy, Ellie. Let's get the Pembrey happy birthday messages into Emily. Did I say Ellie then? To Emily, sorry. Let's get those messages in there for her. Pembrey Happy City, Emily, Pembrey Happy City. There you go. See? I hadn't forgotten. I've got it written down on my notepad here. See? Pembrey Happy is 18. Oh, 18. Phenomenal. How have you found your birthday? Let us know in the end. We're going to come back to this birthday thing. But as you can see in the comment section, everybody is wishing you tons. Sarah, Morgan, Matthew, everyone's happy birthday. The smiley faces and rainbows, those pop-in emojis, hats, the works. So yeah, Pembrey Happy. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh, she had a really fun time. She said, I'm gonna crack on with the quiz, so we'll run out of time. Okay. Oh, okay, right. Are we back in? This is the next one, by the way. Are we back? Are you all ready? Okay, here's the next one. Okay. And I'm watching the comment section. There's nothing in the comment section. Oh, for those of you just joining us late, you're trying to guess who the film character is behind you. No. Oh. Yeah! Oh, Matthew, nice guess. I say, but Morgan was in there straight away with Donkey, followed by next right answer was Mikey with Donkey. Anonymous says Gods. Anonymous says Yoda. It was, of course, as Morgan points out, Donkey. Am I right, folks? Are you a Donkey from Shrek? Says Elio. Yeah, absolutely right. Is Morgan on 4? Now he is typing quick this evening. Morgan's on 4. The rest of you are doing really, really well. That was a tricky one, though. Because you only saw the first section of his body. So, yeah, well done, guys. Right, next one. Oh, big one. Here's a big one for you. So I take a square away. That doesn't give anything away. Next one. You must have had the sugar today, Morgan. Yeah, you must have done. Right, I've got 2 away. I'm going to take the 3rd one away. Anyone want to hazard a guess on this? Take the 4th one away. 5th one away. Oh, come on. Darth Vader again, says Matthew. No, not Darth Vader. I'm going to take 1 more away. Oh, even though I made the quiz. Shredder, Yoda, Toda, question mark. No, guys. Oh. I made the quiz. I'm dying to shout it out. Shredder. What, from Turtles? No, not him. This guy's a pirate. What kind of pirate? Oh, we got it. Morgan was in there again with Jack Sparrow, followed by Mikey. But it was indeed Jack Sparrow. There he is, the handsome Johnny Depp. Oh, Jack Sparrow for the purposes of this quiz. Well done, guys. Very, very good. Right, okay, so let's move on to the next one. Box, do we know, is that 6 or was that 5th? I'll lose it. I think you're on 5 now, Morgan. Yeah, you are. You're on 5. Right, next one. Next one. I'm gonna go a little bit quicker now. Ready? Oof. It's a hand, I think. Watching the comments. Taking another square away. Another square away. No, another square away. Oh, I'm going to leave it there for a minute. Any guesses on this popular? Hunchback of Notre Dame said Joe. Gollum said Mikey. It was Gollum, Mikey. So I'm going to give you that point. Followed by Matthew with Dobby. Gemma said Gollum. And yeah, so well, Mikey, you can have that point because it's only 1. Morgan's already got 5. So that's 5-2 Morgan, 1-2 Mikey. Good shout there from Gemma, who came in a little bit slower to type in. A good shout by Matthew and Dobby, because yeah, I see what you saying there. Pale face, skinny little creature thing. But it was that guy. It was Gollum from the Lord of the Rings. Right, next one. Next one. Ready? We're going to take a square away. Oof. I'm watching. I am watching. Take another square. Oh. Don't diss my typing. I won't diss your typing. Right. Anybody? Take another square away. Oh. Jane Porter. Bell, says Gemma. Right. Okay. Stop the press. Stop the press. No, it's Bell. Of course it's Bell. Look. Boom, boom, boom. Who's Jane Porter? I recognise that name. Jane Porter. Is she from Thor? She's the girl from Thor. But no, Gemma, you're quite right. It was Belle. Kelly followed in afterwards with Tinkerbell. And Morgan, of course, got the right answer. But you were a little bit slow off the mark there, Morgan. So Gemma gets the point. So that's Morgan 5, Gemma 1, Mikey 1. Somebody tell Jane Porter. Is that Tarzan, says Matthew. Of course. Me Tarzan, you Jane. Of course. Very good, very good. Thanks for helping me out there, Matthew. My memory isn't what it used to be, or should be, should I say. Right, okay, next one. Okay, are we watching? Right, I'm going to start moving through them now. Boom. Oh, is that shoes and a cape, I see? Shoes and a cape. Batman, says Morgan. No, Morgan, you've guessed Batman about 5 times now. It's not Batman. Big long cape and boots. Oh, Matthew, yes, you've got it. Well done, Matthew. You're right. It was Darth Vader. Matthew has attempted Darth Vader 3 times in this quiz. And finally, I should show you that it is. It was Darth Vader. Well done, Matthew. So Matthew's got 1. Gemma's got 1. Mikey's got 1. Morgs has got 5. I believe that would mean we've got 2 left. Yes, we have. We've got 2 left. Kelly Owen said a vampire. Kelly! Yeah, when you see the black, you just assume it's Batman. Yeah, you're absolutely right. So here's the next one. I'll take a square away. And because I love DC, that's right, I do love DC as it happens. Gemma, keep watching. 2 squares away. 3 squares away. No, not Superman, Moggs. Oh, there's another square away. And another square away. Morgan's in there. It was the Joker, because I love DC films, right? So yeah, closely related to Batman, but I thought it'd be a bit obvious to put Batman. So Joker it was. Kelly said Spider-Man. Matthew said Joker. Oh, you just missed it, Matthew. Sarah says Joker. Brilliant film as well. A brilliant portrayal of that character, should I say. Yeah, so yeah, well done you guys for getting it right. Apart from you, of course, Kelly, who said Spider-Man. But, you know, good guess. So yeah, Joker. Right, this is the last one now. So Morgan, I believe you've got 6. Gemma's got 1. Matthew's got 1, and Mikey's got 1. This is the last one now. So you're effectively all playing for pride now. So they say, isn't it? Okay. I'm watching the comment section, and I'm going to take 1 square away, and another. And another. Oh, well done, guys. Very, very good. So there we go. It was the Grinch. Guess who got it right first? Morgan. And closely followed, should I say, by Gemma. Oh, Joe, good effort, Elf. It was an elf. Matthew also got it right. Kelly also went elf. Oh, it must have been the shoes. Sarah said the Grinch. Joe said the Grinch, then correcting herself. It was the Grinch. So I think the results of the quiz are in joint second place. So, hey, to be fair, guys, you've done really well. You've got joint second. Was Mikey, Gemma, and Matthew. And in first place was Morgan. So, da iawn chdi, Morgan. Very, very good. You know what, guys? I think that is it. That is the end of today's session. Thank you ever so much for taking part once again. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi'n cymryd rhan eto. As I mentioned at the beginning, and thanks to our guest, we had not him. Thanks to our guest, Wills, didn't he do well? He was very, very good. Maybe we'll have him on again sometime. Yeah, well done, Morgan, says everybody. Well done from Sarah, Kelly, and you're saying well done to everyone. So yeah, well done, guys. Yeah, so as I said on the beginning of the session, I am now taking a little bit of break, a little bit of time away, but I will be back on Thursday's session, and on Friday's session, next Friday, we're going to have the super talented Ed Holden, Mr. Formula, the beatboxer, and he's going to come on and he's going to do some beatboxing stuff. So please do tune into that if you're interested in beatboxing, or you just want to watch a guy do some beatboxing and do a bit of rapping and get all of your comments into his rap. Then come along. Whether you're into it or not, it would be fun to watch, right? So that's next Friday. Like I said, I'll be back next Thursday, and Cheryl will be taking over on Tuesday and Wednesday. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you ever so much, like I said, for taking part once again. You guys are brilliant out there. Enjoy your bank holiday weekend. Stay safe. Stay indoors. Well, apart from those exercises that you're going to do, but just stay safe and look after each other. And if there's anything you need from the youth service in the meantime, you can contact us in all the usual ways: email, text, and direct message through our social media platforms. Like I said, thanks. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Bye bye now. Have a lovely weekend. Toodaloo.